Now, now let's see how we can connect our Gmail account with our Laravel application, so we should be able to send email using our Laravel application. So for that, first of all, I'm going to open my Gmail account. Then after that, I will go to inside my profile and I will click manage your Google account. Then in the search Google account, in here I will type app password and I will select app passwords in here. Now after this, it will ask me for my password, so I will type my password in here. Now it redirect me to this page where I can create a key for my application. So in here, let's type the name for it. So let's say e-commerce and click create. Now it generated this key for me. I will copy this. Then inside my laravel.env file, scroll down until you guys find this section where it's written the mail, and in the password I will paste this. After that, in the mailer, in the state of log, I will type SMTP. I don't need the mail schema, so let's comment this out. Then in the mail host, I will type smtp.gmail.com, and we are going to use port 587. Then after that, the username, my email address, and finally mail from address. Also in here I'm going to type my email address. And one more thing, before creating this key, you must activate the two-step verification in your Gmail account. Otherwise you cannot create this app password. Now let's go back to our project. Now all our setup is complete. We right now we are able to send an email. So for that, to send an email, we need to create a mail inside our application. So let's open our terminal, and in here let's type php artisan make mail and give it a name. So for example, let's say call this welcome email. Enter. Okay, we got an error here somewhere. Let's put this in a string and delete this one. Now let's go back. Okay, and our email has been created. Now if we go inside our app, there is a new folder with the name of mail. If we open this, in here we have these methods: construct, envelope, and the content, and finally the attachment section. Now in the envelope section, we can type the email subject. So in here it's written welcome email, or let's change this to, for example, welcome to my application. Then in the content section, we have to pass here our view. In view we can create an HTML page, so it should add it inside the body of the email. So let's go to our resource views, and in here let's create a new folder with the name of emails. Then inside here I will create a new file with the name of welcome.blade.php. Inside this, let's create a simple PHP file just with the head welcome and with the body of hello, thank you for your registration, or any message that you want to give. After that, our email is ready. Now we can send this email to a user. So let's go and send this email to a user. So let's go to, for example, let's go to our controllers. Okay, let's add it inside our auth controller. When the users create their accounts, we will send this email. So after the user is logged in, then we will send the email to them to welcome them inside our application. So for that, we have to type mail colon colon 2, and in here we have to pass the user email address, so we can get the user from here. So let's type user email, then after that call the send function and call your welcome email. So for that we can type new welcome email. That's it. Okay, now let's go and create a new user inside our system. So let's go to the registration page, and in here let's say tester. The email will be tester at tester.com, and give him a password as well. Click register. Okay, there was an error, view not we did not change our view name in here. So let's change this inside the content function of our email. We have to write the part of our email. So let's change this back. Let's type emails dot welcome dot blade. Oh, sorry, that's it. No need to write .blade.php. So let's go back and register a new user. This time let's call this tester2, and this one also tester2 at gmail.com. Then password, click register. Okay, it has been registered successfully. Now let's go to our Gmail account and let's click to our send. As you guys can see in here, the email has been sent to this user, and if I open this, in here I got the hello, thank you for registering to our store, and in the subject also if I select welcome to my application. So this is how you can create your email. So in the content you have to pass the view, and in the envelope section you have to pass your subject, and when you want to call this email, you have to just type the mail, and remember to add this also. Where is it? This one. If your ID does not add it automatically, then after that inside the to function you have to pass the user email. After that call the send function and your email.